support.
You like that? Recaros. It's not bad at all. The 8 pillars aren't too big.
I miss the old days when you can actually see something in the cabin.
Yeah, because your 8 pillars are pretty big, right?
Yeah, it's way too thick.
My dad used to have a Mazda 3.
Yep.
I drove that when I was in high school, and the 8 pillars were really big in there too. And like they're a complete blind spot. You just can't see. It's busy.
And Camaros too. When you're driving a Camaro, it's more like highway to How do you think about the turbo lag here?
It's not, or I don't know. I don't hit boost until like 35 to 4.
Yeah.
And then I never really touch my second turbo ever, because then I'm going way too fast.
Yeah. Speeding ticket last summer, right?
Yeah.
I got cops like tailgating me like all the time because they're searching
Yeah.
Dams up or something.
Figuring out who you are.
Yeah. He must be like, this guy looks like a racer, but
What do you use to edit these videos?
some online free apps.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty smooth.
It's not bad, right?
Yeah.
So this one is the Legacy GTB. So the B stands for Bilstein suspension. So Bill Stein does a good job.
And still staying planted.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you know Hyundai's gonna have DCT for Veloster?
For who?
For Veloster N.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's 8-speed DCT. If I can save some money this summer, I'll probably get a manual car.
What kind? GTI?
No. I just get a. What's the name for that Acura's coupe?
Is that the TL?
No, the coupe, the two-door.
Oh, the Integra.
Yeah, that's it. There's another one, but I forgot the name. I'm planning to get that one.
An Integra?
Yeah.
Or is it different? Okay.
R,
What year?
R something.
Oh,
X.
RSX.
Yeah, it's a really nice car.
It looks like a Civic almost.
Yeah. It's a
I like
Civic.
that. It is. It's just with the Acura badge.
Yeah.
But you have that SI engine in it, right? Comes with that?
I don't know. It depends on the version of the car.
Oh, okay. I thought all the Acuras came with the like higher end Honda engine.
Well, they say it's higher end, but you know, it's a Honda.
Yeah. Have you driven an SI?
No.
Have you tried, or have you ever experienced a VTEC?
Oh yeah, I did.
It's good.
Remember the car I borrowed from a friend?
Oh yeah.
It's got a VTEC. Or is it like two? That's the one with 3.2 V6.
It might. I'm not sure.
I think it's VTEC. But I can actually hear the sound on the straight wheel once I reach to 700 RPMs. Have any thoughts about the market GTI?
To be honest, I know nothing about it. I haven't really watched anything about it. But I don't know. It looks really futuristic.
Yeah. The most Volkswagen thing gone, disappeared.
What is it?
Take a guess.
Was it the seats?
It's a bottom knob. It's gone. It's completely disappeared.
What do you do now? Like this?
No, it's.
Oh, okay. Because on BMW cars, you just go like this, and they'll go up.
Imagine people watching you driving the car from outside, and then you just do something.
Yeah, it looks like you're doing sign language.
Yeah.
I wish this car would get out of the way.
Oh, there's a guy. He's the guy in the Red Line review.
Mm-hmm.
Last time he was driving the GR Supra. I think it's Supra, to be honest, the new version.
Yeah.
And there was a car in front of him, and he was at 35 out of 45.
What do you mean 35 out of Oh, this going 10 under.
It's like the same kind of
Yeah.
road, like Jingle Ball.
Nobody goes 50 on this road.
Oh god. I'm gonna be like that guy. I hate people. Handles pat the whole wheel. If you sit in my car, then you probably just dead. You shouldn't have like breakfast or lunch.
Really?
Yeah. Stay planted.
How's that?
Oh. Speechless.
You feel that second turbo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. Oh, you're lucky we don't have a radar here.
No, I know.
Do you know what's the cops gonna do if you like speeding way too fast in Japan?
What's that?
They're just gonna ignore you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like,
I think my friend was sending me this article. There's this 19-year-old boy driving a C63 AMG
Yep.
in Ontario, and they clocked him doing 306 kilometers an hour, and they impounded his car and took his license. Could you imagine going 300 kilometers? That's insane.
Is he from Germany?
Autobahn.
You're probably getting used to it, driving on the Autobahn.
You hear that?
Yeah. It's pretty obvious.
It's funny.
Have you ever drive? Forgot the name. Challenger.
No, I have not.
Oh.
You have?
That supercharged.
The whine.
I mean the sound.
Yeah. It sounds like a kid whining.
Yeah.
It's funny. I like it. this thing record for?
2 hour maximum.
Oh wow. What size of a memory card does it have?
64 gigabytes.
Oh wow.
So is there any YouTuber you can watch on, like,
For driving?
yeah, or for reviews or something?
I watch a lot of gaming.
Of gaming.
Yeah.